Yes, in a steady state. And the argument here is that we're not in that steady state yet, that there will be a period where inevitably these institutions which haven't had easy access to Bitcoin will now presumably be able to buy the ETF. And that will, unlike the futures products we've seen that mark near-term tops in the market, that fundamentally alters, at least for a couple of years until we get to a steady state phenomenon, the supply and demand picture for Bitcoin. So that ETF, of course, would have to buy physical Bitcoin and hold it. And that if those flows are larger than expected, that could boost the price of Bitcoin, perhaps even stocks struggle. And therefore that correlation could remain relatively low in the short term. But to your point, I think once institutions reach their target allocation, that's where it could inevitably, we've seen this march toward financialization of Bitcoin, much to the chagrin of the original CryptoPunks that started it. So I do think that's down the road a possibility, but in the short term, I think this demand case for underlying Bitcoin could be a very bullish catalyst.